The John Scott Award is given out each year to a male student athlete in grade 12 who has made a mark on RCI athletics and demonstrates the qualities that the former teacher, principal, and coach displayed through his career and in his lifetime. John Scott was an incredible athlete, an inspiring coach, a tireless worker, an enthusiastic leader. He had a kind heart and a passion for school sport and for RCI that made our school community into what it is today. John Scott was a mentor, and it gives me the extreme honor to present this year's John Scott Award to John Roach. John Roach epitomizes everything you want in a student athlete. He puts the team first, is always at practice, and is a rock star in the classroom. He is well-rounded, having played and excelled in cross-country, football, volleyball, track and field, and of course, basketball. John Roach's natural athleticism would allow him to be good, but his tireless work ethic and impeccable dedication make him great. In grade 9, John qualified for OFSA cross country, the second largest one-day cross country meet in North America. That success was just the starting point for his high school career, as he became a champion and an award winner. Over the duration of his high school career, John captured a Rookie of the Year award in volleyball, a Most Valuable Back award in football, an MVP in cross country, and is a two-time basketball MVP. He is a leader, having been a valuable member of our athletics event staff and was a student convener when we hosted the Junior Boys Basketball Eastern Ontario Championships in 2018. John brought recognition to our school, making the cover of this past fall's OFSA Bulletin, a picture of John showing his dedication to sport, training at home. But ultimately, when I think about John Roach's legacy, I will probably remember a cold night in February 2019, when he and his teammates played their hearts out in capturing the UOFSA championship on home court. The way he played that night, with such heart and with such dignity, would make anyone proud, but it would have made John Scott smile for months. Cutting down those nets that night and keeping these pieces of net close by will forever be part of an awesome history. The narrative of things lost during the pandemic might be getting tired, but we missed a lot this year. Our school, with John and his classmates, would have solidified themselves again as champions. But the narrative of John Roach in sports is not done, as he is off to Bishop's University and their sports studies program. In whichever direction John chooses to go with sport in his career, he will excel, and he'll make others' lives better. John Roach, I think the world of you, and I'm going to miss you. If that sports study degree brings you back this way, maybe in a coaching capacity, we have some unfinished business. More nets need to be cut down. Congratulations, John Roach, the 2021 John Scott Award winner.